Alright, before we start, you must know the notations of Rubik's Cube. If you are a beginner and you don't know anything about the notations of Rubik's Cube, then I highly recommend you to check out my video, The Basic Notations of Rubik's Cube for Beginner. You can click to this image or the link in the description down below. Alright, in order to achieve the pattern, follow the algorithm very carefully. R, L, U twice, F twice, then D twice, then again F twice, R, L, F twice, D twice, B twice, and in the last D twice. There you have it, opposite corners. If you like this video, be sure to check out my playlist for more awesome patterns like this.